Programming language security evolution. As we all know, human evolution started up in a very natural manner, even it is so well developed on its way till the electronic era. We are going to look into the evolution of computing in terms of programming languages. First and foremost, it's better to understand what programming language is. A programming language is a language that is intended for the expression of computer programs and that is capable of expressing any computer program. As how natural languages helps us to express human expressions, programming language is used to express any computed program. Programming language evolution. The more the needs and wants of the people increase day by day, the more the human requirements increases. Due to the drastic increase in human requirements in computing, professionals come up with several drawbacks in the existing programming languages. And this process leads to the development of the existing language or furthermore innovation of a new programming language as well. So based on the evaluation for the programming languages, when we are going to decide whether a programming language is good or not, or why is it bad, there are several conditions for the components we will have to look into. Readability, understandability, ease of application, reliability, complexity, security, and there are some other factors as well. But since our intended scope is security in the programming language evolution, we look into further as to how security is being evolved during the first generation of computer to the existing versions. We'll start off with the security principle, which is the base of the security of a program. No program that violates the definition of the language or its own intended structure should escape detection, which is clear of saying about if there is a particular program which tries to go beyond its boundaries, it should be detected. Alright, it's not only the security principle we are considering in this presentation. In our research work, we look into the coding structure, the special implementations of language, and the governing rules related to security in the coding, as well as the security development included in language codings itself. In programming language consideration, we are looking into a particular language taken according to the computer generations. First generation, it's Fortran, which we started off with. Second generation, it's Algol, what we are going to looking into. It's Algol 60, to be frank. And in third generation, it's Pascal, the best teaching language which was used during several decades, but not today. In fourth generation, we are not only going to think about one particular language, but three languages: C#, C++, and Java, because it's one of the very important generations what we came up in the in the field of computing. Fifth generation is yet to come, but still SQL is one of the best languages we have found out in the process of fifth generation structured query language. We are going to looking into SQL as well as to how security is going to be implemented, and it has been implemented. This research work is going to be done in two sections. It presented in two sections, part 1 and part 2. In the first part, our scope is to looking into the language in first, second, and third generation and give a detailed introduction as well as a progress on the security what we have researched on. About the fourth generation and fifth generation, as well as the comparison and the evolution of language from generation to generation, will be included in the part 2 of the presentation.